when people walk into our store and they walk through that front door and they see the idea house, we want people to feel wowed. To see that black house and then to see the stone, the white stone, the cedar accents, and then the steel in front of the house, just how it pops against the black. And people just to feel like, wow, I want that. How do I make my house look and feel like that? So the back deck is a cool space. It starts with coming from the living room with a big sliding patio door. Big doors are pretty popular right now, bringing that outside in. So it's a large glass door that leads out to the deck, which is a composite material, graining pattern, looks like real wood. We used the steel porch ceiling back there, as well as on the front, which is steel and it also looks like real wood. The cable or the railing on the back deck it's an aluminum railing. It's powder coated black, so it's going to last a long time.